Hello, Susanna Anderson here with the Are They All Yours blog at StephenAndersonFamily.com. I wanted to make a quick video today that my husband's piano books are now available for purchase through Amazon. It's called the Complete Church Piano Course, and there are altogether 4 books in the series. I have your book 1, as well as an additional practice book, book 1.5 for that level. There's also book 2 and a book 3. All of them ship within 2 days from Amazon, free with Prime. Now this piano course teaches the complete beginner how to go from not being able to play at all to being able to play as an accompanying pianist in church. It has sold thousands of copies since it was first published almost 10 years ago, and we have heard from many of those people telling us that they learned how to play the piano in church from these books. I will put the link to purchase them in the description of this video below, or you can also just search on Amazon for the Complete Church Piano Course. Thanks for watching.